enjoy your time in Hartford or wherever your travels take you. And if this is home, welcome home. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all items stowed until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Please make sure you have all of your belongings and be careful when opening the overhead compartments. You are now free to use your mobile phones and small lightweight devices in transit mode. In order to promote social distancing, once we arrive at the gate and the seatbelt sign is turned off, we will be deplaning the aircraft in groups of 5 rows at a time, beginning with the front of the aircraft. Once again, please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. As you can see, the plane takes sharp turns. And don't forget to check your seat back pocket to make sure that you have all of your belongings. From all of us at United and our Star Alliance partners, we've enjoyed having you as our guest today. I certainly have. Have a wonderful day. And thank you for joining us in the friendly skies, and we hope to see you again soon. Thanks for a wonderful flight. Thanks.